Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you have goodness today. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Septiani. I'm from University Aisyah Bandung, Program Nursing Study, and Class 2A. Okay, let me start. In this video, I want to do this morning is explanation about strategies for Part B listening question. This talk is divided into two main parts. The first about strategies Part B and the second example is about skill 7 and 9. Okay, my presentation will take class about more or less 20 minutes. So, let's now move on to strategies Part B. Point number 1, if you have the time, preview the answer to the listening part B question. Here we can see, first you have to look at the answer. After that, you have to try to anticipate the question for its answer. So you are enough focus on 5W plus 1H because the question must begin with what, when, where, who, why, and how. Point number 2, listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. The first line of the conversation often contains the main idea, subject, or topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such question. And point number 3, as you listen to the conversation, follow along with the textbook in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Point number 4, you should guess even if you are not sure. And last, point number 5, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to question that follow. So next, I'd now like to move on to, there are 3 skill listening question part B. Skill 7 about the question, skill 8 about the topic, skill 9 the order of the answer. So the first skill is skill 7. Can you determine about the question? Let me give you an example. For example, number 1, question and answer, how much? Why? Because for asking the price. Question number 2, and answer, when? Why? Because for asking about the time. So, next, let's now move on to skill 8, the topic. Since the first 1 or 2 sentences generally give the topic, you should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. So the first line is very important because it contains the main idea of the conversation. And next, for example, narrator, listen to the conversation between 2 students. Man, what did you think of that history exam? Woman, that was the hardest exam I've ever seen. Man, and it was just hard. It was long too. You think the topic of the conversation is a very long and difficult history exam. So next, let's skill 9, the order of the answer. For example, narrator, question 1 and 2. Listen to students on a university campus. For asking, "Ma'am, can you help me? I'm lost." Woman, "Sure. Where are you trying to go?" Man, "I have a class in Stanfield Hall at 3 o'clock. I thought I knew where I was going, but I guess I was wrong." Woman, I have Woman, "You are certainly are lost. Stanfield Hall is on the other side of the university. I am heading it in that direction. Come on with me and show you the way." Man, "Thanks, you are a lifesaver." Next, question number 1. What problem does the man have? And answer B. He lost. Why? Because in the first line, "Can you help me? I'm lost." So, an answer B. He lost. Question number 2. Where is Stanfield Hall? Answer D. On the other side of campus. Why? Because Stanfield Hall is on the other side of the university. The university at same at the campus. Okay, so far I presented about strategies for part B listening question. Let me now sum up and give some tips. Tips number 1, while listening to the narrator giving instruction for listening for part B, keep your eyes on each option so you can guess and get an idea of what will be developed. Tips number 2, uh, when the dialogue is spoken, concentrate on the first sentence so that you can guess the topic of conversation and can guess what will be said next. And last, tips number 3, focus on 5W plus 1H because the question must begin with what, when, where, who, why, and how. Okay, that's all I can say. Hope people it can be useful for everyone and understand what I have explained. Let me end by saying Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for your great attention. Thank you for your listening. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.